So today we're going to make one of these shakers. This one has rice, and this one has beans, and then
whoa, why?
This has beans as well, and then this one has, no, that one has beans. So today we're going to make one of these shakers, and you will need a toilet paper roll, a cereal box or something else with thin cardboard, scissors, a hot glue gun, and that's about all you're going to need. So the first thing you're going to do is going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to stick it on it, but you're going to have to cut it first. So then it's flat. That. And we will take it and put it like that. You need paint. You need paint also. No, we're gonna paint them afterwards. And afterwards,
No, you shouldn't do this if you're a small child. Have your adult do it.
oh,
I had to give them that safety note because otherwise the little kids are going to be trying to do this. Because you might burn yourself.
so hot glue strings, they make it kind of hard. And flip it over like that. Hot glue strings. Now, to make sure that it does not break, put a seal around by putting hot glue on the edge. And then we'll let that one dry and do the same thing with another one.
You want me to pause the video while you do that?
Yeah. You have done that part and waited for them to dry. Then you will need to cut them out. Where are my scissors? You need scissors! So, we're going to cut them out, get rid of those strings. And the strings can dry on. But they're actually good for fishing.
Also, if you're small, you should have an adult do the scissors here.
But I'm good at doing scissors. I even have a pocket knife. Okay, you cut the line. And so we'll do the same thing with the other. So after you have cut both of them out,
It's also good for
you should make sure that
and
the cardboard that doesn't have hot glue on it is trimmed off.
See, strap.
And
That is.
now after you've done that, you will flip them over like that and do the same thing. You can stop it.
That's hard. Easy is because it's not that all hot. We forget.
So this one has no sound. I made it just so that you can see what it's supposed to look like after you do the hot glue, and then you'll paint it afterwards. But this one is going to have sound, so we're going to put some rice in.
Again, you might want an adult's help pouring this rice. How much rice did you put in there, bud? How full is it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be about this full.
Really? That much?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it doesn't make noise if you fill it.
Maybe a quarter. A quarter might work better than half. We'll see.
So after you've done that, you're going to, it's going to be a little harder. So you're going to have to cut a smaller piece.
Oh, so Micah was right. You're going to have to cut a small piece and then glue it on top, huh? That's why he was saying that.
Yeah, I guess. After you have glued that part on, you need to cut it out just a little bit like that. So you'll need to wait before you tip it over to do the second coat, because you have to wait until it's dry or else the rice gets stuck at the top. So sticky.
Okay.
So, as you can see, rice sounds the best, and so you might want to make the rice now that it's not sticking anymore. You can flip it over and put the second coat on to finish sealing it all up.
Let me see this, that. Now, you have to also paint it.
Yeah, but we'll do that afterward.
Now we go.
So, after you let the second coat dry, you will just clip it off. Of course, the stuff that doesn't have hot glue on it, clip that stuff off.
Oh, yeah. That is sharp. Why are we getting this?
You will also need paint after you get the paint portion. You can paint it any color you want. I'm painting mine red.
And now, where's the no sound one? Where's the no sound one?
The soundless one. I don't know. I'm painting it. Nope.
I'm painting
It's not.
I'm painting a film.
So this is what it should look like after you're done painting it, and then
I'm making paper to make
and then
installation.
wait for it to dry, and then you can make music with it.
Here you go. So, there you go. I think that one was with acrylic paint, probably. So for kids, washable, but you could put acrylic on there too. All right. Anything else you want to say, bud?
And make sure that you don't put the top on before you put rice.
Good tip.